This is DJI Mobile SE Gimbal. You're going to see the unboxing, inbox contents, initial impressions and upcoming videos related to this gimbal in the future on this channel. Let's start first with the unboxing. Come to the price, this gimbal is fluctuating between 8,000 to 9,000 rupees. I added the best buy link and the related videos of this gimbal in the description box. If you are planning to buy this gimbal, don't forget to watch those videos also. Also, if you buy through the link, I'll get some commission so that it helps me to review more gadgets like this in future. It's not about this product. If you click the link and buy anything, the commission will be added to my account. Thank you so much in advance for taking initiative to help this channel. This is how the box looks like. DJI is a premium brand and most of the users know the drones of DJI. On the back, they mentioned some specs of this gimbal. Also, if you observe the MRP, it's 12,999 rupees. This gimbal comes with a 1 year of warranty. A safety peel-off sticker is given. After peeling this, a seal is there below that. After opening the box, on the top side, they mentioned some instructions at a glance. But don't worry, I will share in this video. First, we have a cardboard box and inside we get a carry pouch followed by some paperwork which includes the instruction manual, quick start guide, etc. Also, they gave these black dual side gum cushions. After that, we have a mobile holder which is magnetic. Previously, I tested the DJI OM4 SE gimbal. That gimbal also comes with this type of magnetic lock holder. After that, they were given a small mini tripod for the gimbal. This one is useful to place the gimbal on any flat surfaces like this. The quality is nice. Then below that, a type A to type C cable is there to charge this device. And finally, the main one is here, the gimbal. This is a very compact gimbal. In hand, it feels very light in weight. Also, the grip is there to hold this gimbal. This is how you open this gimbal and connect this magnetic lock. Also, they gave a warning here that the magnetic lock is so strong and do not put any fingers while attaching to it. On the right side, a Type-C slot is given to charge this gimbal. On the back side, a trigger button is there. On the left side, a slider button is given. And on the front, you see a lot of controls. There is a power on or off button followed by a joystick to do different movements of this gimbal like panning, tilting, etc. Also, this black area has a M button called the mode changing button. And the side to this indicates which mode you are currently in, and also it indicates the battery level too. This tiny display is really useful and eliminates most of the time of changing modes in mobile application. To connect this tripod, a threaded hole is given on the bottom side. This is how you can attach and use the gimbal. To use this gimbal full-fledged, we need to download an application from the DJI official website. In upcoming videos, I will share more about the features, how to operate this gimbal and everything about this. If in case you are watching this video lately, check the description box. You will find more videos about this DJI gimbal. Still, there are so many videos I'm making with this gimbal. I'm eagerly waiting and interested to do a lot of videos related to this gimbal. So see you in the next one and take care of yourself.